Hi, welcome back. I'm Akhileshwari. In this video, let us see how to calculate the number of working days in a month. Uh, to get a number of working days in a month, we need to count the days excluding the weekends, that is Saturday and Sunday. In the Power BI, the weekdays starts from Sunday to Saturday. Sunday is represented as 1 and Saturday is represented as 7. Let us see the weekday calculation and then write a measure to calculate the number of working days. We have a predefined function weekday, which will take an argument date to return the weekday of that particular date. So let me add this weekday number to this table, which will give us the day number. And let me add one more column to represent this day number into complete full name. I'm using the format function and passing the date and formatting into complete name. So I'm passing 4 Ds. If I want a short name, I can pass 3 Ds. I'm adding even this new column to this table. Let me select June 2021, where the 1st of June is started on Tuesday and the number is 3. We know that Saturday and Sunday are represented as 7 and 1. We need to exclude the 7 and 1 to calculate the number of working days. Now let us add a measure to write or to count the rows for working days. Firstly, let me get a list of dates for each month. I'm using the calendar function, which will take the start date and end date. I'm trying to pass the end date of the previous month to the current month end date so that I'll get current month dates. And I'm using evo month end of month function to get the last day of a month. I'm subtracting -1 to get the previous month last date. And current month last date. And I need to filter this dates excluding 1 and 7. Just counting the rows and filtering the monthly dates which we have just got in the above variable, and I need to exclude. I need to exclude 1 and 7. As I'm using this in this formula, I just want to make a clear understanding. That's why we have seen other two calculated columns, weekday number and weekday full names. Now let me add the number of working days to this table and see. For June 2021, it is 23. For February, it is 20. Hope this is very useful. Thank you.